Hi guys, today I'm back with yet another book haul video and I'm really excited to read these books. So later in this video, I'll let you know why I thought of buying these books, but for now, let's get started. So this time I got some Amazon packages, so let me open it. So 4 of these books are from the same author and he has mostly written children's book. So pause the video now and comment down below if you have guessed the author. And that is Ruskin Bond books. So it's so small book guys, see? So small. So I'll open the package. Let me tell you all why I thought of buying these books, okay? Well, my reading journey started somewhere during the end of my engineering course, and it started with mostly Chetan Bhagat books, like it should be with most of the people, right? So, as a kid also I used to like to read books, but it used to be once in a while, and the books was mostly given by my grandfather, and it consisted of books like Panchatantra or Aesop's Fables, so something, you know, moral stories kind, short stories kind. As I grew up, I never really got a chance to read children's book, and I don't know why I didn't go in that direction of reading children's book, not that thought crossed in my mind at all. So let me know in the comment if you also have felt any time like this. Okay, now coming back, so I have got all the books now, so but I want to tell the story. From past few weeks I was kind of in a reading slump, and whichever book I picked to read, I didn't feel like reading at all. Finally I picked up this book by Sophie Kinsella, that is The Undomestic Goddess, and from the time I have started reading that, I've slowly been getting into a reading pace now. So around this time itself, that thought crossed in my mind that why shouldn't I start reading children's books? Because it would be a short read and it would help in coming out of the reading slump. And that was it. I just went ahead and ordered for Ruskin Bond books. So these are the Ruskin Bond books that I've got. The first one being, as I showed earlier, it is The Blue Umbrella. Very short read. I didn't expect that it would turn out this small. See guys, it's so small. I think I'll just finish this in a day. See the, if you want to see the font of this. Yeah. So the next one is Tales from the Childhood. I hope you can see. Wow, it's colorful. Perfect for children. But nevertheless, anyone can read. This one is from the Cradle of Nature. Very thin books. I think I'm gonna buy all the Ruskin Bond books. Next one is Stories of Wisdom. All these books you'll get it in Amazon. You can just check it out. Okay. It's all colorful. Okay. So yeah, these were about Ruskin Bond books. So I had 4 books. So I had to fill the 500 quota for free delivery, right? And in most of the booktubers video, I saw Little Prince to be very good, and it was kind of easy to read as well. So I went ahead and bought that book, which ultimately filled my 500 rupee criteria for free delivery. So that was my story of buying these books this time. So I'll be definitely buying more Ruskin Bond books in the future. But that's all for now. So if you have any more recommendations from me, do let me know in the comments below. Yeah, that's all for this video guys. So do like, subscribe and hit that bell icon. Okay then, I'll see you next time. Until my next video, bye bye.